What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the Brandon Coin YouTube channel. It's been a few days. I was at the hospital with my wife. We had another baby. Congratulations, applause, all that kind of stuff. I didn't really do anything. She did all the work, so, you know, clap some hands for Mrs. Coin. But regardless, spoiler alert, I'm not actually selling out. Well, I guess not any more than anybody else has in life. That's a deep topic to get into. But I've been in talks with the iPollo guys. They're an ASIC company. They have their logo is like a pineapple, which that's a whole nother topic too. But I was talking to one of their like sales reps, and then he put me in contact with like I guess his manager, and his manager put me in contact with another guy because I was just like, hey guys, they wanted me to just sign up and become an affiliate. They'd send me a miner. I review it, all that kind of stuff, and I'm like, I don't know, man. It just doesn't feel like my style. So I was like, what about you send me a miner? I'll review it. I'll give it an honest review. So don't, if you send me one and it sucks, it's gonna suck. But and then after I'm done reviewing it, we'll hold a giveaway on the YouTube channel. No purchase necessary. No, you don't have to buy anything. You don't have to do anything other than I guess we'll maybe do it on Discord. I'm not sure. Or maybe we'll do like an email drop link. Whatever makes it as mostly fair as possible, and we'll figure that out. We'll iron those details out. But they were like, I don't know, this doesn't, we haven't done anything like this, and I'm like, this is how I want to do it. This is, basically like take it or leave it. And if it gives you guys good exposure and people like your product, because that's all it takes nowadays. If you make a good product and it makes sense and it's a good price, people will buy it. You don't need somebody being like, hey, you need to buy this. They really don't even need influencers, but they can think of it as advertising. So I was like, guys, I'll make the video. You guys can watch the video, and I'll make that ahead of time, and then you can kind of decide about it. So I heard back, and they were like preemptively, yes, we can do that. We'll send you the miner. You can review it, and then you can hold the giveaway. And if it goes good, if we get good exposure and good traffic, then we can do it again. And I'm like, dude, I'd do a giveaway every day if you send me one. Realistically, what they were talking about is maybe like a monthly giveaway. And because like I told them, most of the people that watch this do have ASICs or have had ASICs, but this is not an ASIC channel. I don't really have a lot of ASICs. So it's not like my viewers are going to flock to it. So it's just take it with a grain of salt. It might be good. It might be bad. Just chalk it up on the old advertising budget. You know what I mean? So yeah, iPollo guys, you're probably watching this and you're probably like, yeah, okay, well, I guess he's serious because I'm kind of putting my money where my mouth is. I try to be honest and forthcoming about everything I do with, reviewing and showing you guys data, all that kind of stuff. So, yeah, this is me putting it out there. I guess we're going to be having an iPollo giveaway. Now let's go over and see the actual unit that they were talking about sending. Where are we at here? Let's go to the actual iPollo website. I was on mine, the ASICs, trying to see like the difference between them. And it looks like the old iPollo V1 is one of the quickest to ROI. iPollo V1 3.6 gigahash. Those are all sold out. That's a great start. What about the G series? The G1 sold out. The G1 Mini. It's one of the only products that they're not sold out on. I thought they told me they wanted to send me a V1. How are you going to send me a product that's sold out, guys? Come on now. Why would you want somebody to review a product that's sold out that you can't take pre-orders on? Anyway, so Apollo, let's look at what they actually have in stock. And by the way, iPollo guys, we need to talk because I'm not going to be accepting and reviewing a product that people can't actually buy. Just kind of doesn't make any sense at that point. But yeah, the G1 Mini. All right, iPollo G1 Mini is 1.2 gigahash. Is this the right one? Yep, 1.2 gigahash, 120-ish watts. Makes 26 cents a day profit. And they're $299, and it looks like they would take 36.9 months currently. And they mine, I guess they mine Grin. I think that's what they mine. Yeah, Grin. So, yeah, these aren't probably flying off the shelf because, I mean, I guess it technically ROIs faster than almost all GPUs nowadays. Let's actually go on over to like what to mine and see what a 4070 ROI is at. 4070, 16 cents a day. Okay, so yeah. What about a 4090, 4080? 40 series is about the only ones that are like just like stay in profits. Most of the 30 series is not actually in profit on like mainstream coins right now. Okay, 4090, 32 cents a day on Caspa. I think that's actually one of the highest coins. But a 4090 MSRP, 15.99. Okay, so technically a Grin or iPollo G1 Mini is going to return on investment faster than a 4090. It's a hard sell at 36.9 months. 26 cents a day is not easy to get excited about, but it's only burning 120 watts. So it's not like it's going to make the power bill go through the roof. So 4 of these would be what, 369, about $1,000 probably after tax. Gosh, that hurts. But 4 of these also is only burning what, 500 watts. 500 watts for $1 a day profit. Oh, I don't know. What about this G1 right here? This bad boy's making $292 a month. iPollo G1. Oh, these are sold out. Oh my, they're $8,900. See, this is why it's hard to get into ASIC mining because like the big boys, there's a high barrier of entry. But I guess this is the G1 Mini is kind of what solves it. So originally they were talking about the V1. Oh, there it is. V1 iPollo. Not the Mini, just the V1. 3.6. So that ROI is in 19 months. It's $4.50 a day. That's $2,600. What is it on their website? Is it ETH or ETC? Wonder which one they're referring to. They're all sold out. V1 Classic, $10,000. Oh my god. 7.9. Okay. So is this it? Is this the $8,000 one? No. iPollo V1 says it's 2,000. Where's this best price coming from? Anyway, okay. So I'm going to talk to the iPollo guys, and since they were planning on sending a multiple $1,000 ASIC, what about if we got a bunch of these G1s and maybe we had a giveaway with multiple winners? Because the G1s, or sorry, the G1 minis are only $300, $299. So instead of sending me a $2,600 one, we could get like what? Almost 10 of these bad boys, 9 of these bad boys. That'd be a pretty good giveaway. Or we could just give away one a week for, dang, that's like 2 months of giveaways. I don't know. But regardless, yeah. So if you guys also, I'd love to hear. I'm horrible at doing giveaways and all that kind of stuff, so I normally avoid it. But I figured if somebody's going to sponsor the channel and send some stuff in, it's a good opportunity to do something like that. If this doesn't end up working out, iPollo, this is in the ball's going to be in your court now. So this is up to you. And we'll revisit this topic if it doesn't end up panning out. But yeah, it's kind of put your money where your mouth is time, and yeah, that's how the cookie crumbles. But like I was saying, I'd love for ideas on how to host the giveaway. What's a fair way to do it? Obviously, we'd probably would pull the winners on live stream, but where do people put entries at so that way they can't like spam a bunch of entries? Yeah, lots of ideas, lots of ideas. But hopefully, like I was talking to, I don't remember whose his name was, but the iPollo manager's manager, because it went like 2 levels up at that point. He'd love to do an ongoing relationship, and man, maybe we could just keep on doing. I mean, those G1 minis, guys. iPollo? I'm talking to y'all now, right here. $300 a week. Think of it like that. Advertising budget, and we could just do a weekly giveaway. Bam. Helps the community. I get some views out of it. You guys get some advertising. It seems like it's a win-win-win. Win for the community, win for me, win for iPollo. Isn't that what we're all looking for here? Winning? Oh well, I don't know. Maybe it's a colossal waste of time, and I'll regret doing this video and regret hosting giveaways because it's kind of what happened in the past. So I'm trying to do it right from the beginning. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna go back to the house and check on the new baby. So yeah, my wife, by the way, trooper. Just want to let her know if she watches this video. She watches some of them. Thank you, babe. You're amazing. I could never do what you do. Literally, I couldn't do it. It's not possible. At least not in nature. Peace. I'll see y'all in the next one. Adios.